Hello fellow surfers, welcome to Flavour Tasters, the food and beverage review channel on all things relating to food, beverage, health and all things like that. Yada 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 yada. You get the point. You get the point. Okay, so I've just done the tuna mayonnaise Subway sandwich review, which you probably may have seen already. So I'm washing out the flavour, rinsing the palette there. And we're going to be going on to the cookie that you get with the meal. So this is, let me go and try and find the chocolate chunk cookie. So this can be the thumbnail. And it's got about snap. Anyway, a lot of chocolate in the back, the aroma, normal cookie, sugary, sweet, flavour, like a sweet bread, dewy aroma. Okay, this probably won't be long because it's not that big. It's decent size, but yeah. It's a bit floppy in the middle, tough on the sides. Chocolatey, almost honey. Either honey or almost syrupy kind of flavour to it. Straight off the bat, it's a moderate cookie. The chocolate reminds me of the flavour of a chocolate Easter egg. Probably a cheaper one. Doesn't have that kind of normal chocolate that you can pretty much get, a Galaxy or anything else. But it's decent. It's not bad, but I would say it's a typical one. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10. It's just a straight average cookie. Not too dramatically different to stuff that you can, like the cheap ones that you can get in a shop, like the Asda made cookies and stuff. Other than the fact that the Asda made ones are smaller and a little bit thicker, thus being a bit more harder, stiffer. But this is a little bit different texturally, but it's pretty much the same kind of flavour. Other than the chocolate, again, it's more the texture rather than the actual flavour. Actually, while eating this, I've got some coffee. It's warm still. Yeah, would go nice with the coffee. Sorry for slipping there. Yeah, not bad. Just an average kind of cookie. The only thing I can say that may stand out for it, it almost feels like it's based, it had some kind of like honey or syrup on it, which does kind of give it a little bit of edge. But since I like to give round numbers as the score, yes, from time to time I'll say 5.5, but typically when it's 5.5, it's essentially a 5 out of 10. Anything from like 5.6 upwards, I would just round it up to a 6. Not bad, average. Tastes nice, you know, but let's see, how much was this? It looks like, yeah, so as a part of the meal, so it makes up a part of the meal of £10, 99 pence, and with delivery and such, it takes up to £13.17. So that would make up part of the price with the sandwich and such. I wouldn't really go out my way to buy this. I would just rather go to a shop and buy cheap cookies to dip in at home. But maybe if you're in a rush, you're getting a coffee from somewhere, you might want to get one. 5 out of 10. If you agree with this, please let me know in the views and opinions in the comments section below. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, select all notifications, strike the like, share the content, and all of the good stuff. Don't forget that you can agree or disagree with what's being said, and in the comments, if you do reviews, see it. Oh yeah, I do reviews as well. I agree or disagree, and this is the name of my channel. Come and check it out. Anyway, with that being said, I'm coming off, and I'll see you in the next one.